Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to unbox noise play action camera. I spent 3000 rupees. If you want to buy this product and for more details check out the link in the description. If you are new to my channel then please go and click the subscribe button. It will help us to make better videos in future. Okay, let's unbox and check its quality. Inside the box we got action camera, 30-meter waterproof housing, double-sided sticker, micro USB cable, user's manual, warranty card and some bandages and mounting. Now you can see its display. It is not touch screen. It is 2-inch LCD display. In front we got a button. We can use it to turn on and off, also to change a mode. And coming to the side you can see micro HDMI port, micro USB port and SD card and a mic. Another side you can see up and down button and a speaker. Battery capacity 3.7 volt, 1015 mAh and it is removable so you can carry more to increase backup. It can record video 4K in 13 fps and 2.7K 13 fps and 118p in 60 and 13 fps, 720p in 1360 and 120 fps. It also has photo mode, time lapse and slow motion mode. Now I will show you inside the camera app. To connect into smartphone, first go and install this app and then turn on camera and press up button to turn on the Wi-Fi and connect with the smartphone, then open the app. You can change the settings and also view and record videos with this app. Now I will show you some videos shoot on this action camera.
Full 4K ലാണ് 4K. അതിൽ ഗിയർ ടൈപ്പിംഗ് ക്ലച്ച് ടൈറ്റ് എല്ലാം ഉണ്ട്. ഞാൻ വണ്ടിമ്മ പിരിക്കില്ല.